So what am I? I am somebody who's tried to stay out of categories. Okay, there are 3 titles that I have today: best-selling author, storyteller, and innovation catalyst. So you got to know where you stand in life. You got to know what you're good at. And most importantly, you got to be able to turn away from business. Right? A brand is always defined by the people it rejects rather than the target audience that it has. Any well-defined brand not only attracts a lot of people, but if its story, its narrative is really well crafted, then it will repel an equal amount of people. Now, Shubho had called me to share my experiences with you. Yes, we will do that in some way. But I pride myself on changing people's lives and most importantly, changing the way they think. So I'm going to do it in a manner that you remember. I'm going to do it in terms of giving you a little code. This is what I call the secret code for success. And if I have RISE. Okay? Rise. Your secret code for going up the corporate ladder. Rise. What is R? R is resilience, fighting spirit, your ability to bounce back. I think in today's day and time, this is the most crucial facet for success. Your ability to bounce back. Why? Because every day, your jobs, your interactions, your colleagues knock you down. You survive the day. The next day, you have to be up and running again. Life will do that to you time and again. And it's the manner in which you get up again which defines you, which makes a difference between a good professional and a brilliant or a great professional. Fighting spirit. Whenever that instinct comes in you that I should quit, give it one more week. One of the biggest lessons I can give you. Whenever that instinct comes in you कि file खोला, resignation letter type करना चालू हुआ, give it one more week. This is a life-changing tool. Give it one more week. Because in the heat of the moment, you're doing a knee-jerk reaction. And you might live to repent it later on. Resilience. Give it one more day. Fight. The more you fight, the better you will become. Setbacks are natural. Second is I, in rise. There are 2 I's. The first is integrity. What does integrity mean? Say what you mean and mean what you say. The ability of you to deliver on your word. If you give your word to somebody, it has to mean something. And these are simple things, but often they make the biggest difference in the way your career trajectory is. So integrity, why is integrity so important? Because we live in a social structure. You're not working alone. People rely on your word. A client relies on your word. Your internal team relies on your word. If the client says, "Kab layega?" you will say, "Main kal lata hu." And suppose you don't turn up the next day. Once he might forgive you. But if that becomes a pattern, it's likely you will be taken off the account. The second I is my favorite I. This is insight. Is that one little nuance which we use in communication, in branding, in innovation to make a huge thing out of it, to create a huge story around it. So an insight is that little behavioral nuance that you pick up and which your whole campaign or all the work that you do is based around. You have to learn to observe people and file it away in your head. There was this case where we had a motor lubricant brand and they wanted to advertise for a vintage motorcycle rally. A vintage motorcycle rally. And for the past 5 years, what they had said is so and so brand presents vintage motorcycle rally और एक vintage bike का picture रहता था वहाँ. Standard format. We decided to look at it a little differently. What's an insight in that work? The insight we cracked was what was once vintage, what is now vintage was once state of the art, right? What is now old fashioned, एक time वो top of the line था. And the line the fellow wrote was, ever wonder how your grandfather impressed the chicks? Then we have S. There are 3 S's. The first S is what Nilima alluded to very well. Solution provider. You have to be a solution provider in this line. Use your own intellect. It's there for a reason. Right? That is the first S, solution provider. The second S is support. Everything you do, you're in a partnership with somebody. And I see too much of this attitude, let me take it off my table and throw it into somebody else's table. That's when organizations begin to suffer. It's when you realize that you're all in it together. Again, case in point from my own life. There was a time when I had to be off for 3 weeks on a medical emergency. Okay, I had an account which was always on fire. I used to work with a creative partner. That chap took it upon himself to become the account person for that period. So he went and conducted meetings like a client servicing person would. He even made minutes of meetings, which I myself used to not do. Right? That is support. When you see that happening from a colleague, the next time he is in trouble, you will go the extra mile. That is how great organizations are built. It's not your job or my job. It's everybody's job. Support. Third S, story. We are all storytellers. We are in the business of storytelling. Some might say we are in the business of branding. To me, brand, the concept of brand itself is integral to storytelling. You might be in advertising, PR, digital marketing, event marketing. It's the story which matters. How cognizant are you of your own story? What are you if you were a brand? The last, E. There are 4 E's. The first is explore and edit. What do I mean by that? You saw this yourself in your behavior when you did that exercise. And it comes to everybody, I'm not blaming you. The moment you asked a question, the moment you find one answer, you stop. Our schools have taught us that very well. There are multiple answers to any problem. So, explore means don't stop at one answer. The great Linus Pauling, one of the few people who has won 2 Nobel Prizes, said the best way to get a great idea is to get a lot of good ideas. What do I mean by end game? I call it, the best metaphor I can give you is embrace the MS Dhoni mentality. Embrace the MS Dhoni mentality, which means jab tak the win is not achieved, stay there. See it through till the end. The third E, educate. And this is a tip which is huge. I think your education starts when you get out of our colleges. Get out of management college, get out of engineering college, whatever colleges you've been to. That's because you begin to learn on your own accord after these things. The last E is be engaging, be entertaining, enjoy what you do. You know, this is one of the lines where it's a very informal culture. You are doing creative work, you're part of creative work. It can be so much fun.